Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can buy Amazon Prime subscription. In order to get or buy an Amazon Prime subscription, first thing first, make sure that you've already registered for an Amazon account. After that, you'll need to open up a web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. After that, on the web address bar, go ahead and type in primevideo.com and you'll be logged into your account if you already have registered. After you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located right on top. As soon as you click on the profile icon, go ahead and click on account settings. Now this is going to direct you to the account settings page over here. For the confirmation, click on the continue button and you'll be asked to provide in the password associated with your Prime Video. Click on the sign in button and then you'll be logged into your accounts and settings page. Over here you'll be provided with two different options, that is your details, where you can actually make changes with your information, and underneath there will be an option as your membership. So in order to get started with a membership, you'll need to set up a payment method. In my case, I have not even signed up, so you need to click on the sign up button. After that, it's going to ask you to select a premium plan. As you can see, these are all the plans. If you're sure about it, then go ahead and select the plan accordingly and scroll down right to the bottom and click on join Prime monthly if you agree to this following. Now you'll be asked to provide in the card details, that could be your credit card or maybe net banking such as PayPal, Google Pay, UPI app and all that. Select either one of it, click on the continue button, and after that you'll be receiving a statement stating that the premium account has been activated, and all you need to do is just click on the confirmation or maybe go ahead and explore your Prime Video account. In this way, you can get a premium account on Prime Video. That is all of this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it does really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.